kiss.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Something like a hooper.
Your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
Going for the kiss again.
That's what Matt does as well when David's going.
I know.
Holly.
You doing kiss kiss, Holly?